Hello all, I welcome you all back onto this channel. I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy. And I request all of you to help others as much as possible in this situation. There are cases like people who are above 45, they couldn't book their own vaccination slots because of not being aware of using Aarogya Setu app or Covaxin websites and all. Okay, so if you find any such cases, please do help them at your best, and that's the request from our side. And second thing, if you couldn't find any such cases, or if you feel that you can't do anything, you please stay in the home itself, and that could be the biggest help you can do to the mankind as of now. So the main important point why I came in front of you today is to provide you some important information regarding the first update of GATE 2022, and that was released in the Times of India today. So for that, I would like to give you some key points. Okay, so firstly, the National Coordination Board meeting has occurred on 22nd of May 2021, and in that meeting, IIT Bombay, the organizing institute for GATE 2021, has handed over the duties of GATE examination to IIT Kharagpur, which is the organizing institute for GATE 2022. Okay, so after handovering these duties, the IIT Bombay and basically the board meeting has confirmed few points here. I would like to give you those few points. You know, till GATE 2020, the students or the aspirants were given a chance of attempting only one paper, which was revised in GATE 2021 by IIT Bombay, the organizing institute. Correct? So this attempting two papers is also continued for GATE 2022. Means, for example, last year if you see in GATE 2021, mechanicals could also write engineering sciences, civil engineering aspirants can also write architecture or environmental science, ECE students can also write instrumentation. So there are certain combinations which were allowed as the second paper. So this combinations means basically you can attempt two papers in GATE 2022 as well. And also one important update by IIT Bombay in GATE 2021 was giving a chance or giving an opportunity for the third year students. So that is also going to be continued for GATE 2022, and this was released in a press note by Times of India, which took the important information from the National Coordination Board. Okay, so there are total 27 papers in GATE 2021, and this year in GATE 2022, means in the upcoming GATE examination, there are two more papers which are being added. Okay, so naval architecture and marine engineering, and also geomatics engineering. So basically some collection and measurement of this geo information, means this planet informations and all. So these two papers were also added in GATE 2022. Okay, so total GATE 2022 is going to be organized with 29 papers. Okay, so please start your preparation because it's almost some 7-8 months ahead of the examination as of now. So please start your preparation and make your schedule and try to crack this GATE 2022 with the flourishing colors. Okay, and for any help from us, you can always access us from our contacts in the websites and all our social media platforms. Thank you all. Have a nice time.